To find your student passwords, you're going to start in your PowerSchool page. This is where you take attendance. And you're going to look for this icon right over here, this little printer icon. I'm going to choose the homeroom, the Viking Time class here. It gives me a couple options. I want to choose this list right here, and I want to change this from the attendance audit. Scroll down, partway down, and you'll see this one that says computer logins. When you submit that report, it's going to take 10-15 seconds for it to load up. And just try the refresh button. And there it is ready for me. I can hit view, and there I can find my student password page. From here you can go ahead and print this off using this icon right here. Please note that this is confidential student information, so do not post this in your classroom, and make sure your students keep this in a safe spot where other students can't find it. Let me know if you have any questions, or call the help desk 7615.